Ha.
Let's go.
First of all, thank you sa lahat ng mga umattend sa munting celebration namin. And yes, and first of all, also I want to thank God for everything. I know He's the one who planned all this on what's happening today. Nakakainis yung background. And of course, bawal umiyak kasi sumpa daw yun. Thank you for all efforts and sacrifices. And by the way, I just want to share a short story of our relationship. On how Pristine was dead na dead to me. And do you remember, Pristine, nung mga panahong bago pa lang tayo, parehas students? Iniintindi mo ko dahil wala ako, kaya ikaw na lahat sa planning and hindi lang sa planning, pati sa financial. Di man tayo kumakain sa mamahalin, masaya tayo basta magkasama lang tayo. Minsan ikaw nagbibigay ng pamasahe ko papunta at pauwi pa ng Quezon City. So, patay na patay, diba? Imagine, ang pangit ko ng mga panahon na yun. At maitim. Pero todo effort ka na para lang makasama mo ako. Wala, ganun talaga pag pogi sa panahon mo. Pero seryoso, di ko... Naririnig ko si Tito. Pero seryoso, hindi ko makakalimutan lahat ng yun. Di man ako sweet na tao, pero ipapangako ko na, ipaparamdam ko sa'yo. Palagi kung gaano kita kamahal at ka-importante. Di ako magsasawang paglutuan ka ng favorite foods mo. Aalagaan ka habang buhay. Mamahalin ka habang buhay. Huwag kang matakot na baka magbago ko eventually. Dahil alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi mangyayari yun. Kasi bakit ko pa sasayangin yung babaeng maganda? Napakaganda. Sexy. Walang bisyo, di mo barkada, tapos patay na patay sa akin. Siyempre, di ko sasayangin yun. Wala na akong hanapin na iba. Ngayon nandito na tayo. Kasal na. Habang buhay kitang magiging best friend, buddy, enemy, boss. I wish na matupad natin ang mga pangarap natin sa buhay. And always healthy at walang katapusang travel and happiness with you. I promise that I'm always with you in sickness and health, for richer or poorer, to love and cherish, for this day forward until death do us part. I love you. I love you, my ex-girlfriend.
Nakaka-pressure kasi ang ganda ng message mo. Pero nakakatawa kasi medyo similar in a way na the other day I was feeling anxious, I think. I guess that's what you call it. I was feeling anxious and natakot ako bigla kasi parang naisip ko we have a great relationship for the past 8 years. Masaya naman tayo, tapos parang natatakot ako na paano ba magpapasal tayo? Baka magbago, baka imbis na masumaya, baka maiba, alam mo yun? So, sinabi ko sa iyo last night, and you told me that I shouldn't be worried. Sabi mo nga, kung may magbabago man, mas lalong madadagdagan yung pagmamahalan, care mo sa akin. So, na-realize ko din na I may not be sure what the future will bring, but I'm sure that I found a good man, tulad ka na sabi ni Renz. And I'm sure that I will be there, you will be here for me through whatever struggles life will bring us, and know that I will be the same for you. I will always be there for you. And I also want to thank you for doing just that for the past 8 years. Thank you for being whatever I need. Tulad ka na sabi mo, best friend, boyfriend, coach, repairman, driver, chef, cook, minsan ATM. So, thank you kasi lagi mo akong inuguna. And dahil panganay ako and maagang nag-abroad si mama, I always felt that I was alone. So I had to do things on my own kasi wala akong magulang around. And when you came into my life, parang na-realize ko, hindi na pala ako mag-isa. Hindi na ako mag-isa kasi nandiyan ka na. Para lagi akong samahan. So, nakahanap ako ng lalaki na ako yung priority. So I finally felt what it feels like to be the first priority in everything. Bagong lahat. Si Pristine muna. So, thankful ako doon. And you even came friends with me, you and my family doon. Para sa future natin dalawa, which talagang hindi madali. So, I'm thankful for that. So, today, I want to tell all of our friends and family here na sigurado na ako. Compared sa anxiety na nararamdaman ko, sigurado na ako na I married the love of my life. And I can't wait to see what tomorrow will bring because I know that no matter what, we'll always have each other for the rest of our days. Ayun lang, I love you.